Welcome to Simply Elegant. Today in the kitchen I have a very special guest, my mother, and she is going to demonstrate how to create two different types of sushi.
Today we're gonna make a California roll and spicy creamy roll.
Spicy crab roll, you will need some sugar, some hot sauce, mayonnaise, some crab meat.
For the California roll, we need salt and sesame oil and vinegar, sesame seed.
Need some brown or white rice. If you choose to use the brown rice, make sure to mix it with a little bit of white rice in order to create the same sticky texture.
Definitely we need seaweed and avocado and cucumber. California roll also we need crab meat.
First, we are going to make the California roll. In a bowl, we have about 3 small bowlfuls of brown or white rice. And first, we're going to season up the rice. So how do we do that? Okay.
So we're gonna go with the 1 teaspoon of sugar, like this, and half of the salt.
Okay, so half a teaspoon of salt?
Yes.
Okay.
And vinegar, 2 of this one.
2 teaspoons?
2 teaspoons.
Okay.
And if you want, you could put the sesame seed about half of a teaspoon.
So that much?
Yes, it's okay.
Okay. Then mix it together?
Yes, yes, definitely. Yes.
Okay. So we have seasoned our rice. We're gonna set that aside, and my mother is going to start cutting some avocado and cucumbers into thin strips.
Okay, look at this one, okay? You cut half around, and then you twist it a little bit. And then open. You're gonna stay inside, right? And then this concentration, very easy.
So now that we got the pit removed, what are we doing?
Now we're gonna cut the skinny one, and then we see.
So skinny strips?
Yes.
To remove the skin. So you just want to take your hands and just remove the skin. If you find that your skin is a little bit difficult because it isn't ripe enough, then there is another way that you can remove the skin.
Put the skin like this, just like fruit cut, and like an apple cut stuff like that. So when you take out the apple skin, and then just cut it the easy way. Yeah.
We finished cutting all of our avocado into skinny strips. Next is time to cut the cucumber. So you just cut off the ends like that first?
Yes. So halfway cut,
Oh.
and then cut half again. This one.
Oh, that's an easier way.
Yeah. Why? You know why I cut like this one? Easy to take a seed.
Oh, you don't need the seeds for them?
You don't need it. Yes, definitely not.
Oh. Our avocados and cucumbers have been sliced into tiny strips. Next, my mother is going to squeeze out the water out of the crab sticks. Why are we squeezing out the water?
Because they do have a lot of water that was frozen before, so they do have water. We have to squeeze them.
So we have all of our ingredients ready and prepped to make our California roll. But there is one thing that you should know.
This is shiny part, and this is unshiny part. You're going shiny part going to be down, and then top of the unshiny part, you're gonna put the rice top. That's it.
Okay. So now you put the rice?
Yes. And then make sure your hand gotta be clean. Okay.
Right. And then just spread it everywhere?
Spread everywhere, squeeze. Not on the bottom, right here.
So you want like a 1-inch border?
Yes, 1 inch.
Oh, now that the rice is down on the seaweed, what's next?
Now we're gonna put all the ingredients together.
Okay.
Crab stick, cut half, and then I put top, and then cucumber, and avocado.
Ooh, that smells really good.
But you gotta push this one a little bit, and then you roll it up.
Oh, okay.
Only first time, only beginning time, and then squish top a little bit, squish in, and roll it up with this one now.
Oh, okay.
And then when you roll up this one, also when you gotta pick it up.
Okay.
Every time roll up, pick it up.
Okay.
Like this one. And then the end, if they do have a space left over, then you could use this one.
So
And
just
then,
add a little bit of water.
right here,
Okay. To seal the
one
shot.
dot of water. Yes.
To seal it.
Yes, exactly, like a glue.
Okay. Like
This
a
will
glue.
work like glue.
Oh.
You know what I mean? So, and then later on, you squeeze the roll. Roll it up, and then squeeze them a little bit. And then they're
it
gonna be
should be ready?
sticky. Yes, it should be ready.
Wow, look
Like
at
this
that. Our California roll. Before you start cutting, you want to dip your knife into the water, right? In order to make it easier to cut the sushi?
Oh yeah, very easy.
Okay.
Like this. Just like this.
As you see the avocado, the crab, the cucumber, nice array of color. Now it is time to make the spicy crab roll. So first we're gonna make the spicy mayonnaise.
Hot sauce.
So about a tablespoon. Okay. So
And then-
tablespoon of hot sauce.
Yes, sesame oil is up to you. You wanna put some sesame oil, then go ahead.
Okay.
But if not, it's okay. You don't put it either. You don't. It's okay.
So it's optional.
Yeah, yes, exactly. And then mayonnaise now. About teaspoon, about 3 spoon of this one.
So about half a cup.
Yes. Oh yes. Yes. Just mix it. Now I make a sauce already. I mix sauce already, and then I'm gonna put the crab meat inside. This situation, you gotta crab meat, berries to fill up.
Oh, so just
Take it
peel
out.
it off.
Exactly. Yes. Just like this, and then put it in. And then you know what some people do? A lot of people do cut it.
Oh, they chop it
Cut
up.
it. Yeah, chop it up, and then put it in.
Okay.
And then when you mix it, it's gonna break it automatically with spoon
Oh,
because this don't come out so easy.
so just smush it down.
Yes.
Okay, tighten it.
Square. Try to make a square again.
Okay, so we made a little square. Now just add the seaweed, right?
Yes. Seaweed top of rice. And then now you mix the crab meat already. Skinny line
Okay.
like this.
A little bit more.
A little bit more. Just a little bit more. Because when you make a roll, no matter what, whatever you put inside middle, they're gonna come outside.
Okay.
Come out. You know what I mean? So I put the middle only. I squeeze it right here. In. Squeeze it. That way I don't have to use my hand. Squeeze it little by little, and then make a roll. And then squeeze them again, and then move inside. Squeeze it again. Okay, now we're gonna start cutting. Okay. Water again. Remember, I'm not good with the knife, okay? Sorry. But I'm gonna try my best.
You can see the spicy mayonnaise and the crab meat. Looks delicious. We finished our 2 sushi rolls. If you look closer, you can see our California roll that has our avocado, the crab meat, and the cucumber. And then we also made a spicy crab roll that has a homemade spicy mayonnaise and some crab meat. Thank you for joining us once again on Simply Elegant. If you would like to see my mom on the show again, just leave a comment in the comment below, and I'm sure she would love to join.
Bye, guys. Okay, bye.